channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be making some bang bang chicken and shrimp pasta. Sweet chili, that is. So to start, we're going to be needing some seasoning of your choice. I have here some Himalayan salt, Old Bay seasoning, some garlic and parsley and Himalayan salt, onion powder, and then I have a tablespoon of the cornstarch, a quarter cup of the chili paste, a quarter cup of the sugar, a quarter cup of vinegar, a quarter cup of some lemon juice, some peppers, y'all, and some onions. I have here some green onions, olive oil, of course some big deveined shrimp, y'all. Make sure you clean your shrimp. And then I have some cut up chicken here. And as well, I have spaghetti sticks. Okay, my creators, let's get it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, you guys. How y'all doing? I hope y'all doing good out there. Okay, so we're gonna start with this chicken, y'all. Gonna start with this chicken. All right, so to start, we're going to use some, y'all forgive me today, I haven't been up for a long time, and I'm seriously acting like I cannot talk over here. I don't know what's going on. I'm being real, so if some of my words don't come out right, I promise you I ain't been drinking. I'm just tired, y'all. I'm just tired. But how y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good. I hope you guys are doing good. I want to say thank you so much to one of my beautiful creators. Her name is Always Love, or Love Always, I'm sorry. She suggested me to do a loaded shrimp potato and steak recipe, and it's coming because I love the suggestion, and I want to thank her so much for actually suggesting a video to me. Okay, so I have just some butter in my pan, y'all. I'm gonna start with the chicken, and of course I do have my noodles on. You want to boil that on medium high heat for 10 to 12 minutes for an al dente type of bite for the noodles. So I'm gonna go ahead and season here, of course, with my Himalayan salt. You wouldn't be watching one of my videos if I did not forget an ingredient, and I did. There's some garlic there that I'm going to use. Okay, then I have some Old Bay. You guys, I didn't start cooking with Old Bay on my chicken until this year, honestly. And I've been cooking for a minute, so it's fun to cook with different spices and stuff. I have my garlic and parsley with Himalayan salt. Then I have my onion powder, and I'm starting with my chicken first because of course my chicken takes a little bit longer than my shrimp does, because you know the shrimp takes about 5 minutes or so to cook. Okay, so I'm putting some pepper on there as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let this cook up. Okay, say about 10 minutes on medium high heat, or however you like your chicken. I like my chicken just nice and juicy. And if you cook your chicken for too long, you can cook the juices out of it. Okay, again, I have my noodles on. How y'all doing out there today? I hope y'all doing good. I'm doing good. Had a full day of errands to run, things to do, people to see. No, I ain't had nobody to see, y'all. But full day today, and losing chicken, y'all. Put that back up in there. Who hopping up out that pan? All right, so you guys, I kind of want to talk today about some things about giving up. You know, giving up in life, and someone needs this right now. Don't give up. That sounds cliche. It sounds cliche. It really does. But I'm telling you, do not give up. You guys, you got to keep on going for what you want in life. And it is not easy to continuously keep on going when you feel as if something you're trying to do or something that you're trying to go forth with is not working. It's not easy to keep going. It's easier to give up than it is to keep going. Just like in some perspectives, it's easier to be negative than it is to be positive for some people, you know. And it's not just a thing to where that person is always a negative Nancy. It's just that's what they know, and they have not had a good experience, you know, with having faith in their life. You know, we all get tainted on faith sometimes, but I'm telling you right now, do not give up on whatever you're doing. There's no way that you cannot get some type of currency for doing what you love every single day, you guys. And that's my testimony with this cooking channel. I'm far from getting, you know, any type of deals or currency from my cooking channel, or far from being able to, you know, not work or whatever the case may be. But it's kind of like a double whammy for what I'm trying to do, because I love cooking, I love inspiring, and you know, as you guys know in my video to where I was making, what was I making in that video when I told you guys about my job? I think I was making the shrimp Alfredo bake. I was making the shrimp Alfredo bake, and I was telling you guys about how, you know, my job for 12 years, they had deleted my job position after I had got promoted to corporate. Not just me, it was like hundreds of people who excuse me, y'all, who lost their jobs. And I had told you guys about how, you know, I felt so broken. You guys, when I had came home, I meditated, I prayed, and this is my calling. This is what he told me to do. He said, make your channel, inspire people, and do what you were here to do. And that's to inspire people and teach them how to cook for them, you know, cater. That's just me. That's what I love to do, y'all. So I am staying prayed up in this thing. I am staying faithful to what I know, and I'm going full force. Every time I say something about faith or going forward, I pray that you guys really receive that, because it is a powerful thing, you guys. I'm not just talking. It is a powerful thing when you believe in yourself. And when you believe in yourself continuously, there's no way you can't win. There isn't any way you can win. You're always going to fall down. Get back up, dust yourself off, and try again. I promise you, something has got to happen. Even when you feel so defeated, something has got to happen, y'all. Just keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop, y'all. Got me singing and dancing up in here. But just keep going, you guys. I really do appreciate every one of you who come through my channel and put down comments and positive things. You know, I love it. And I thank you guys. Thank you so much for even listening to my little mini sermons when I am speaking to y'all. I really appreciate that. You know, I appreciate that. All right, y'all. So enough of the chitter chatter. Let's get back into this bang bang shrimp and chicken, y'all. So I'm going to let this cook for another 3 minutes or so, because I done talked y'all ear off. So I'm gonna let this cook for another 3 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to the sauce. So stay with me, my creators. So that chicken is done. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in my pan here. Excuse me if y'all hear me munching. Yes, I was munching. I taste me a little piece of that shrimp, that chicken, y'all. It's good. Nice and seasoned. Okay? Nice and seasoned. Alrighty. So, you're going to put your shrimp down. Of course. Okay? And I want the shrimp to have a certain kind of crust on it. So I am going to leave it down for a little bit. Okay? I'm going to put some of my... I let this shrimp stay on one side for a while on purpose. I want my shrimp to have a crust on it. Just like this, y'all. Okay? I want my shrimp to have a crust just like this. So don't be scared of it. Just let it sear. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and make the chili, sweet chili sauce in just a moment, my creators. Yes, yes, my babies. These are looking good. I mean, no matter how big of a shrimp you buy, these little things just, I mean, they just go shrink right down to nothing. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm just going to go ahead and saute some peppers up, you guys. Now, y'all can use more peppers than this, less peppers. It's all up to you. But I'm just going to use half of these because I went bunker crazy with all of these peppers, y'all. So saute them up just to get them a little soft, crunchy, if you know what I mean. So for about 7 minutes or so, just go ahead and keep on moving them around. You can season them if you want. I feel like I already seasoned my shrimp and my chicken enough, and the pan is also still seasoned from that, so I'm not going to add any more seasonings to this pepper mix, y'all. Okay, so let this saute for about 7 minutes and we're gonna be good. Let's get into this sweet chili sauce for the 30th time. This sauce, you guys, long overdue. So I have the chili and garlic paste. I'm gonna add in my sugar, and that was a 1/4 cup. This is a 1/4 cup of sugar. This is a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Turn my heat down. Okay. Give it a little mix right here. Okay. Then I have a 1/4 cup of the vinegar. The vinegar is going to really even out the sweet, you guys. Okay. And then I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of water. So a 1/2 cup of water to that. Okay. Okay. This is going to be so yummy, you guys. I just know it. And then I am going to put in just a little bit of the garlic and parsley seasoning. Okay. And then to that, you want to add in your cornstarch. Okay. That little board that y'all seen when you first came into my video, I actually got it from the dollar store, and I bought 2 packs so I can make that sign. Just a little disclosure, if anybody wants to get it from their local Dollar Tree, y'all, that's my store. I'll be going in there and running it up for real. Dollar Tree, y'all got it going on. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my cornstarch, and this was a tablespoon of the cornstarch. You don't want so much cornstarch, you don't want it to be like out of control thick. So when this simmers, go ahead and let it simmer for about 7 minutes or so, you guys. And then I'm gonna come right back so you can see how this looks. So this is the sauce. It came out nicely. You guys, this sauce is really spicy, man. It's spicy. If you cannot stand that heat, maybe use a little less of the chili powder or chili paste. But for me, I think it's gonna balance off just nicely. Okay, so normally you will use a mayonnaise base with Bang Bang Shrimp. I am not using mayonnaise. Mine's is with a twist. I'm doing it my way. You guys can do it with mayonnaise if you would like, but I don't like mayonnaise with noodles. It's just my preference. So you do what you do, but in my case, I'm not going to use the mayonnaise. So stay tuned, and we're going to put it all in and put it together, you guys. Let's go, y'all. Good time. All right, so I did put a little bit of the olive oil in my noodles. Forgot to tell you guys that part. So I'm just gonna do, trying to get away from me. I'm just going to do just a bed of noodles. If you guys want to mix it all together, have at it. You can go ahead and do that. But in this house, some people don't like whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and do it separate. Who am I kidding? My son don't like spicy stuff like that. So I'm not going to mix it all together, y'all. Okay. And then I'm going to just put some peppers all over there. Okay. So as much peppers as you like. I think peppers are so good. It's very good for you. It's nutritious. It's delicious. I just love peppers, y'all. Then I'm gonna put some of that chicken right on the top here. Okay. Right on the top. Okay. And then to that, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my shrimp down all over, just like this. Okay. Like I said, you can mix it in if you want. I am not going to mix it in. It's just going to be just like this. Okay. Alrighty. That is looking really pretty. So, I'm going to go ahead, y'all don't have to do this extra part, but I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle some of the, y'all, I'm trying to tell you, don't hurt yourself with this. Don't hurt yourself with this. I'm coming with bangers out here. Again, thank you so much for returning to my kitchen. If you are new here, my name is Tish, like I said before, and your girl gets it in the kitchen, baby. All right, y'all. And that is my version of the Bang Bang Shrimp and Chicken Twist. From my kitchen to yours, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Until next time, my creators, continue to believe in yourself and do you, boo. Until next time, my creators, be